Hello friends! Today, let us watch a brief video on waste management in Finland. Finland is one of the cleanest countries in the world, and we are proud of that. There are two important reasons for our cleanliness. Firstly, people in Finland see waste not as a problem, but as raw materials. And secondly, they take great care in segregating different types of waste materials in their house itself. This is because we cannot reuse materials if different types of waste materials are mixed together. Let us now visit a household and see the facilities available in each house for segregating waste materials. Here, we can see that there are separate bins for different types of waste. Each bin has its own special covers as well. For example, food waste is disposed in special biodegradable covers. We also take special care to recycle paper waste and cardboards separately. Glass bottles, metal cans, and plastic bottles are all segregated separately as well. This is very important since these are highly recyclable. We have now seen the facilities available in a house. Let us now see how this waste is disposed by households. We are now going into a waste collection shed. Here, we can see there are multiple numbers of collection bins placed. Each bin is for a particular type of waste to be collected. Here we have bins for paper, bio-waste, mixed waste, plastic, glass, metal, and carton. Once the waste is collected here, the municipality workers collect the waste and take it to waste processing plants. The process for recycling continues in these plants. It is our commitment to segregation that allows us to enjoy clean homes, clean surroundings, and a clean city. From household to our municipality, everyone works together to keep our city clean. Please do the same in your city too.